A scatterplot is a picture of pairs. Each point is one observation with an x value and a y value. The SAT uses scatterplots to test whether you can read trends, estimate from a model, and avoid causal traps. Your first job is to see direction. Do values tend to rise or fall as x increases? A line of best fit, also called a trend line, summarizes the overall pattern. It is a model, not a perfect connector. Most points should cluster near the line, but outliers can pull the fit slightly. The line balances over and under predictions. Positive association means as x increases, y tends to increase. The cloud slopes up to the right. Negative association means as x increases, y tends to decrease. The cloud slopes down to the right. No clear association looks like a scattered blob. You should not force a strong linear story. Strength matters too. For the same tilt, points hugging the line look like a stronger linear relationship than a wide fuzzy cloud. If a point is labeled with units, carry those units into slope interpretation. Change in I units per 1 x unit. Easy SAT tasks identify correlation type from the plot. Look at the dominant tilt of the point cloud. If you are stuck, imagine a ruler on the screen. If the best straight tilt rises, call it positive. Medium tasks. They give an equation for the line of best fit. You must translate slope and intercept into words. The slope means for each 1 unit increase in x. The model predicts y changes by about 2.3 units. The y-intercept is the predicted y when x is 0, which may or may not be realistic in context. To predict y for a given x, substitute. If x is 10, multiply 2.3 by 10, add 15, and read off the result. Harder tasks. Identify an outlier, a point that is far from the overall pattern. An outlier can tug the line a little, but the big idea is that it doesn't follow the cluster. Residual is actual minus predicted. Positive residual means the point sits above the line. Common mistake. Correlation is not causation. A strong linear pattern does not prove x causes y. A lurking variable might drive both. Ice cream and sunburn both rise in summer, but ice cream does not cause sunburn. Set pro tip. Always attach slope and intercept to the story. Units matter, and 0 may be outside the realistic domain. When they ask for a prediction, show the substitution clearly, and round only if the problem tells you to. If the graph is drawn to scale, you can sanity check slope, sign by rise over run, between 2 grid points on the line. Recap. Scatterplots show paired data, the line of best fit models the trend. Read direction first, then use the given model for predictions. Translate slope and intercept into plain language with correct units. Talk about outliers and residuals when the question focuses on distance from the line. And never claim causation from correlation alone. Practice more on NovaMaths.